So here's a check I got from today. This one was like 20 minutes of work. And then here's a couple more from the past month. It's not all of them, but it's what I have on me. So there, bam, 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 bam. Hey, my name's Ryan Nguyen from Clearwater, Florida, and I am a notary signing agent. My financial situation before taking the course was not the best. I was definitely feeling the pressure of adulthood with mortgage payments, car payments, all types of different insurances, groceries, you name it, the list goes on. I noticed I was going into the negatives for the past couple months with my bills, and I needed something to change. So that's how I found LSS. I was on TikTok, I searched up like how to make more money in Florida or something, and Notary was one of the options. And from there, I just went along, found Mark's course, and took it and followed his lead. I don't have to worry too much about my finances anymore, but LSS also taught me how to nurture and grow not only my notary business, but I feel like everything you learn in there applies to any business that you start. If you're not sure about getting the course, I would say don't overthink it. If you're willing to put in some work like you do with any job, it'll be 100% worth it. You make your money back within the first, I'd say, like 2 signings. And from then on, LSS teaches you every step of the way. So, it's basically a step-by-step guide. You can't really mess it up. So yeah, get the course, and hopefully I'll see you around.